The Arnaud Legoux moving average, or ALMA for short, is a moving average variation that is meant to be smoother and more responsive. It attempts to do this by tracking price more closely to quickly reflect current movements. In theory, this indicator can help improve performance in terms of filtering out noise during indecisive markets and reducing latency to allow for quicker identification and reactions to trend changes. If you are interested, you can research further details on the indicator's calculations. The main focus here will be on examining real chart examples rather than just going over diagrams and outlining theory. We will see the various uses of the ALMA indicator, along with preferred conditions for its application and cases where it fails and/or has limitations. A wide range of chart examples will be covered from various time ranges. No matter when you watch this or which charts you choose to apply the ALMA indicator on, information from this series will be of use to you.